Hello guys, this is Real CAD CAM Solution. Today we're going to see a Revit interior architect design. So first of all, I just set the unit setup. If you're not watching the previous video, go to my previous video and see my basic settings of unit and another settings. This is a unit setup. First of all, I set the full unit setup. Okay. Then I choose to import my hotel layout because my design is it is in a restaurant, small restaurant. That's why I choose this. And then I choose my architect wall. It's a 9-inch thick brick wall. It's as well as the same of the procedure. And choose the material. It's a brick component material, first class brick. So I choose this. Okay, give the thickness 9 inch. Then okay, it presented okay. Then I choose the exterior wall and the height is 13 feet because the ceiling height is 13 feet. Okay, I'll draw the whole structure of the wall. Okay, I just finished the wall and go to the window. I choose my royal window as well as my wish. Okay, that's why I choose this. I choose my like this window because it's look like some rich and royal. That's why it's nice. And the windows is our wish. Okay, what could you like to place like this? You want to another choose window, choose like this, you may choose this. I'm going to copy all the section of the window like this. Okay, here put I my door of circular door. It's like a press pull and push model. I choose the commercial cylindrical door. Okay, I choose this. Go to select the size, correct size, and click the OK. Okay, I just place over the here. Okay, it's nice. Then I go to rotate like this. Just see how it is. Then go to select the table. Just click my open and click the size and put to inside the my table. Okay, this is the very important procedure of hotel layout. And then I go to copy the table in all over the section like this. Okay, copy like this. Okay, and then go to the corner table also. Select the size. The corner table also most important one. Okay, it's finished almost over. Just see, very nice. Okay, then I go to hide all of things because interior works I got it. I go to the wall paneling, you know, the wood paneling, wood siding, wall paneling works. I go to attach the rigid board on my bottom of the table. Use my extrusion method. Go to the exact correct set line on the bottom of the table. Let's see how to draw this. Just put on the bottom of the table, just drag like this. I choose to the material. It's a perfect material of I used to some fantastic rendering material. The material must be in wood. It's a common one. Like a beech wood Galeno. It's nice to see on rendering. I apply OK. Okay, it's finished. Just stick over here. Completely alright to finish this. And then go to rotate like this. Okay, it's nice, very nice. Right. Okay, and then go to place my components. I go to extrude some sit out of the exterior side of the column like this. Keep watching what I do. Draw like this and go to interior, draw like this. Okay, finished. I just go to finished. Extrusion end is 1 feet 6 inches already given to the, and then go to the structural column. Maybe paste it to the my modeling. That's a metal clad column. It's a cylindrical portion. I go to attach to interior the sit out area. I just draw outer edge of the carpet material ring like this and go to the 3D view. Okay, and then copy over top of the area. The final presentation this. here. Okay, it's finally over. Okay, just finished. Go to rotate and see the interior designs. Okay, nice. And go to the siding of the wood interior design like this. Keep watching like this. Draw like this and copy over the one by one section. And then click both and to copy over the all of the part, and finally view like this and go to the wall design. It's a wallpaper, you know. I go to apply my wallpaper to the interior section of the hotel. Let's see, use the paint option, command is PT, and go to apply the correct wallpaper. Click to apply like this. Okay, it's fantastic. Keep apply on interior both side also. Okay, I go to draw my architectural floor, draw like this. Just finished over there and give my material perfect material of using my tile material also. Just keep watching like this. I give to the floor tile, give the appearance of my perfect floor plan using the floor material. Okay, I give to this floor material. It's done. Let's see the final render of the floor area and go to create my ceiling design. Use to the ceiling design name is 6 inch thick M20 grade concrete as well as same of the method, and give the thickness also 6 inch. Give the material as well as lightweight concrete. Okay, give the OK and go to the sketch ceiling and select to the pick wall. Give the offset as 2 feet. It's a overhanging distance. Go to offset towards the end of the wall. Okay, it's finished, just like looking like very funny. Okay, and go to click. Okay, nice. I also give to the wall siding also. I use my material, give all over the side of the wall. Okay, it's nice. This place also applied to like this. Okay, it's finished. And also place some wood material to the top of the ceiling and the bottom of the floor also. So use soft lumber material also. Just press it over here and draw over here. Okay, top of the roof ceiling also I applied. It's finished. Okay, and make my place a component like my tables and chair. It's a circular table. I just proceed to interior all of the section. Let's see the 3D view. I just copy to the all section. Just see the 3D view. It's nice. It's really nice. Okay, it's looking like great. And go to around the circle of the table around the chair also placed over here, and go to copy all over the circular table also. Okay, it's nice. Just present over here. Just looking the 3D view of animation, looking like this. It's great, looking great. Okay, and then go to the copy of my light on the table. It's looking like a night lamp like this. Okay, I copy over there. It's nice. And go to the same night lamp, big size of the storefront table. Okay, it's also copy. Nice. Okay, I just copied. And then go to my model text on interior side of the restaurant, and the name is Vicky's Restaurant. I put the name on the interior section of the name, also getting some fluorescent light reflected towards inside the restaurant. Okay, I put the name Vicky's Hotel. Okay, put the name restaurant or hotel, anything. Okay, just place drag towards the interior side. I put the material also glass fluorescent bulb given the yellow color light. Okay, it's nice. It's clearly over. Go to the 3D view, just looking like it's great. And go to the frame of the letters towards the outer section. Just trim like this and give the material also and wood, because the reflectivity is very look like great to view, because the rendering is must, that's why I choose this. And go to the wall lights also. This wall lights looking like on a 4-side reflectivity area, that's why I choose this light. And go to reflectivity and go to the extract, this one. Okay, and finally I choose my characters to inside the restaurant, because characters looking to develop my rendering view, that's why I choose. And some characteristics also reference to interior side of the restaurant, that's why I choose the characters. Okay, it's finished. And go to some wall, go to some ceiling design also. Set my pick plane. Okay, I put all over the ceiling design, use my extrusion, draw to the rectangle. Nice. I use to the material and wood material, it's looking rendering clearly image also. I use to the sweep for an strip light on exterior side of the ceiling, that's why I choose draw like this. And go to the finish, it extract to sweep around the down part of the roof ceiling. Okay, and go some design of the wall, ceiling, offset to 2 feet exactly. It's nice. Okay, I choose to finish these all designs, it's nice. Go to some light setting also. First of all, I set my fan into section of the ceiling fan. I choose my component, just design like this overall my component fans also. Okay, I finish the fan, copy like this. Okay, and then move towards the correct section of the view. Okay, it almost finished to my fan. And then use to draw some lights also. I just put light all over the section also. It's the same method for using the load family on my component settings. And go to move to interior side of the ceiling lights, whole ceiling. I used it to move like this. Okay, I finish it towards like this. It's almost finished my projects. And go to some 3D view. It's my camera view. Okay, is my camera view looking like a great view for a rendering. This is a fine view, but I choose to left to right side view on my camera. Okay, I choose like this in a corner section of the area. Just click like this, just draw over here. It's nice. I go to the realistic, put my rendering setup. I just view to the 2 feet high section, apply. Okay, go to the render setting, it's a normal one, because go to the realistic photographic format. Used to rotate the floor fan towards the view of my camera view, that's why I choose like this, because it's not looking in a easy way. Okay, I'm going to render these images. It's like any correction, let's check on the area. If any corrections is presented here, just watch. Okay, it's no presented. I'm going to the render of full setup. It's come to a realistic format. Just set the normal section. Go to the render, give the render option. Okay, the full render is rendered over rendering processing. Okay, it's almost an 80% finished. And go to my full render. I just waited and looking like a full project. It's a 33% completed. Okay, it's 91% completed, and the render is looking awesome. And go to just adjust exposure settings. Just look how to adjust like this. It's the adjustment is very important to the realistic format. Okay, go to the adjust exposure option. And adjust to the brightness and highlights also. First of all, I choose my brightness. Okay, it's exact to my morning view. It's okay, nice. I go to increase my brightness. Okay, but Vicky's restaurant is mildly not shown. I just adjust. Okay, it's nice. And go to highlight settings, shadow settings also. It's almost finished to looking a great rendering view. This is my full project. Okay guys, I'll finish this tutorial. If you like this video, please give a like and share and comment. Please subscribe to this channel, guys. The Real CAD CAM solution is one of the most highly definition tutorial. I'll give the videos and exact and etc. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much, guys.